We head now to some news in tracks. Shanoya Douglas has been one of the fastest Jamaican women over the sprints this season. However, the 18-year-old admits she is in no rush to join the senior ranks. This after competing at the just concluded 4-day National Junior Championships. Here's Denise Walters.
So far this season, Shanoya Douglas has won the Class 1 sprint double at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships, becoming the second Jamaican under-20 girl to dip below 11 seconds, clocking a personal best 10.98 seconds, then the fastest time in the world. Currently, she is one of 12 Jamaican women this season to dip below 11 seconds. The teenager has the 9th fastest time in the women's 200 meters this season, a personal best 22.11 seconds. But she opted to compete among the juniors as opposed to the seniors at the just concluded J3A's Puma Championships. Douglas told TVJ Sports she's in no hurry to move up to the senior ranks just yet.
There's no rush in the process, honestly. I'm still a junior. I'm still 18. I feel like I should continue developing as a junior, then translate matriculating into the senior level, and time just do it.
Douglas, who is also the Character Games sprint double champion, won the national under-20 sprint double titles. The world under-20 leader won the 100 meters on Friday, posting 11.08, while she returned on Sunday to capture the 200 meters in 20.82.
It's been a great season. Running those times really show that I'm really a great athlete. It's been a pleasure that I was able to produce all those a wonderful time to the world, and to show that my coach is a great coach itself too, and it's just been wonderful.
Douglas, who is the world under-20 200 meters bronze medalist from 2024, is looking forward to upgrading her medal in this year's competition.
I said it in 2024 in Peru that my aim was to come back and get me a gold medal, right? And I'm just working towards that goal because I really like gold and I like winning, and I didn't like the third that I got. So I'm working towards getting me.
The World Under-20 Championships will be held from August 5 to 9 at the Oregon University in the United States. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.